Hey Scrapperheads, it's Matt, and we're almost done taking this other side off here. Okay. Pretty hefty. Feel that? See it? Gold. You're a gold miner, you're not a scrapper. Well, you're a scrapping gold miner, whatever. Okay, now we just gotta try to get the rest of this out. So I'm gonna help it out as much as I can at first. Not sure if you can see that, but every time I'm tapping, it's going down a little bit more. Just don't get too excited at the moment and whack your hand. Make for a bad day. Might make you want to just stop. Okay, pretty low now, look at that. Still with me there? Okay. Since it's so oily, it's going to come out easy. I'm just doing this as much as I can now so that I don't have to do it in a little while, but a little while just showed up. So, I don't know if you can see that. Every time I tapped on it, it came out more. So, now we're just going to have to yank it out. Which is not going to be easy. Try it. All ends. And you know what? That's why someone got rich off of these hammers with claws on it. Look at that. Alright. There we go. Take your plastic off. I'm not sure about your scrapyard, but they might tell you that if you, because I have a lot of this, okay? I won't lie to you. I'm stockpiling. I have so much of this. I'm not going to take the paper off. You can if you want. They're not going to give you more money. I take the plastic off because I don't want to hear them bitch at it. Bitch at me about it. So that's as far as I'm going to go with it. I'll take all the plastic off. I have so much that they're just going to be like, oh my God, thank you. Now that we bought it from you, we're going to sell it and we're going to triple our money. Because that's basically what they do. And they want you to do more work like this so that they don't have to. But you might be watching this video thinking to yourself, wow, what a waste of time. It's not a waste of time. If you have a bunch of these, and you have the time to crack them open and get to all this, it's well worth it. Doesn't weigh 100 pounds. Probably doesn't even weigh 10 pounds. But the more you've got, the more you're going to make. The more you make, the happier your life is. Or your wife. Happy wife, happy life. Okay, scrapper heads. That's it for this. Throw this into your pile. On that note, you have one more to do, but now you know how to do it. I'm not going to tape that one. I'll tape something different for you. If you got any suggestions as to what you want to see me do so that you don't have to waste the time to do it, make a comment. Hopefully you make good comments. Alright, see ya.